Alright guys, we got a sexy 2014 Porsche Boxster S. As you guys can see, nice sexy red top, silver with red interior accents. It's already pretty loud, but he wants a little bit more sound out of it. And we're gonna see what we can do to give it a little bit more sound. I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before we do anything to it. We might do some stuff, we might not. Here's sound decibels. It's right at 95 again. It's already got a little bit of sound, which is, fitting for a Porsche. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear it after we're done with it. So if you guys ever wondered what the bottom of a Porsche looks like, you don't see anything on this side, but it's all flat. All the action is in the back. Woo-wee. Look at one dancing. Action in the back. He likes that. Anyways, as you guys can see, look at this header work on this thing. And then it's got a cat. And then it's got the muffler over here. It goes over the rear axle there. And the muffler's right there. And the muffler's right there. Same kind of header work there. Into a cat. Just give you guys a little bit of background on Porsches. Cool design. And then they go out in the middle, out the back, like that. Porsche Boxster S. Let me show you guys. Look, we didn't do anything. Look, here's some symptoms of a NETAMI box right there. Part number NT1017. There's the manifold there and there. Cat and another cat there. Cat, manifold, cat, manifold, cat. Then it goes over the rear end. And we took the two big mufflers that I showed you guys earlier, the two mufflers, and replaced them with two NETAMI spiral mufflers. Part number NT1017. Look at that, right there and right there. And then kept it with the same clean tips out the back. The factory tips right there. So it came out really nice, really clean. There it is, NETAMI. So, and look at the gigantic mufflers that were on it to make it quiet. So you guys can tell it will be a lot louder, a lot nicer sound. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go, guys. You ready to hear this beast? I am. NETAMI, listen up. Nice audio. Let it idle. Clean idle on it. Okay, give it gas. Again. 111 on the sound decibel. That's clean. No rasp. That's good. Clean. Oh, there's a barber. You see it? Once they warm up a little bit, they get more compact. Again. Sorry guys, it's windy today. And we got construction going on. Everything's against me in this video today. Still a cool looking car though. Here's it in sport mode, guys. Go ahead. Porsche Boxster S. Sexy beast. He's going to get that dent. Somebody sucks. So he's going to go get that fixed. Top's coming down. You know what that means. Top goes down. Sound goes up. Beast mode. Damn. That sucker flies and grips. Enjoy, guys.